There we go. Okay, so now we've got 2 pieces of wing, we've got a thigh, we've got a leg, and I've got some more skin here. I'm going to take out of the way. We'll freeze that. And then here I have the breastbone where I cut it like that. And so what I'm going to do is just come under here with my knife. Try not to let this fall. I just want to come down in here like this because I can't snap out this piece because I cut through it to make a half chicken. So what I'm going to do is just pull this like this, and we're going to cut underneath like this and pull our meat out just like this. Remember, don't get your hand in there, because you get your hand in there and you could get cut. All right, so there we go. We got that. And then what we're going to do is pull this straight up just like this, and we are going to then take out our piece of, let's just get this out of the way. There we go. And then what we're going to do is just keep going, pulling the meat like this so that I leave the meat with the meat and the bone with the bone. So here I'm just coming on top of that breast piece like this, and I'm going to just pull him like this. He should pull. Yep, he's starting to come out. What I'm going to do is flip him this way and seam out this piece. Just cut that piece off right like that. Come in here like this, and we're pulling off this piece of breast here, and we're just going to cut right through it just like that. So now I have the bone, and the skin could come off. There we have the bone and all of that coming out with the breastbone, the half that I cut here, this piece which